here's my Stihl blower. So the strip down of the carb was all going fine, the cleaning which is done, it's all been stripped down and cleaned with carb cleaner and blown through with an airline, so it's all looking pretty good. The one area I had an issue with was with this, which is it's called the flange, which is the priming unit. And what I managed to do, I noticed there was not a lot of airflow through it, so I cleaned it all and blew it through with the airline. What I managed to do was to take this little silver component here. When I put the airline on here and blew it, I literally blew that thing out and it disappeared somewhere into the universe. So I've had to go and order a new flange, as it's called, and that's just coming to stock today, so that's back. So once we get this whole little lot back together again, hopefully this afternoon we should be able to fire her up and have a running again. So carb's now reassembled with the new flange primer on it, which you can hear is making a bit of a noise. So now I've just got to put the thing back together again and see if we can get it to fire up. Hadn't all gone quite as well as planned, but then I found there was a small filter that came out, and underneath it, as you can see in that hole, which is the fuel inlet, absolutely block solid in there. We can't even see through it, and I think that is the whole problem. So I'll clean that out and see how we get on. Now fully assembled, everything done. I think we should be all right. So now completely cleaned out, all looking good. We'll just pop it back on and see if we've managed to sort it. That's the carb on now, so now just a question of actually just fitting back on the handle and giving it a go. Carb on, here we go. Let's just prime her up. Power switch on, choke on, and here we go. Time of truth. Oh, looking good, looking good. Perfect. Fixed. Thank goodness for that at last.